Transforming your home office doesn't have to break the bank. With a bit of creativity, thoughtful planning, and some simple improvements, you can create a workspace that's both inspiring and functional. Whether you're working remotely, running a side hustle, or just need a productive corner for personal projects, these budget-friendly makeover ideas will help you design a space that boosts your motivation and reflects your style. Start by reimagining your workspace layout. Sometimes the most dramatic transformations come from rearranging what you already have. Take a look at your current setup. Is your desk cluttered? Are you facing a wall that drains your energy? Consider moving your desk toward a window to maximize natural light, or angle it for a fresh perspective. Even swapping the position of your chair and storage units can make your office feel brand new. Decluttering is the next powerful step. A tidy workspace can work wonders for your focus and mood. Go through your desk drawers, shelves, and surfaces and remove anything you don't use regularly. Invest in affordable organizers like trays, baskets, or mason jars to keep your essentials within reach yet neatly stored. Sometimes, just clearing away the non-essentials reveals a more open and inviting space. Lighting is crucial in any office makeover. Natural light is best for productivity and mood, so make the most of any windows. If your room is dim, add budget-friendly lighting solutions. Desk lamps, string lights, or even LED strips can bring warmth and energy into your workspace. Choose bulbs that mimic daylight for the most invigorating effect. Don't be afraid to get creative. Upcycle an old lamp with a new shade or a coat of paint for a personalized touch. Next, focus on your walls. A fresh coat of paint is one of the most cost-effective ways to transform a room. Soft, neutral tones create a calm atmosphere, while bold accent walls can inject energy and personality. If painting isn't an option, consider peel-and-stick wallpaper or removable decals. These come in a variety of designs and are easy to apply and remove, making them perfect for renters or anyone looking to experiment with style. Art can make your workspace feel truly yours. You don't need to invest in expensive pieces. A gallery wall of prints, motivational quotes, or even your own photography can add inspiration and character. Printable art is widely available online at little or no cost. Pick up some simple frames from a dollar store or thrift shop, or make a statement with a clipboard or washi tape display for a creative, changeable gallery. Your office chair is where you spend hours each day, but you don't have to splurge on a new one for comfort and style. Try adding a plush cushion or a throw blanket to update the look and feel. If your chair is looking tired, consider sewing or purchasing a slipcover. For a pop of color, tie a patterned scarf or fabric around the backrest. Small touches can make a big difference. Storage is often a challenge in home offices, but it doesn't require custom cabinetry or expensive solutions. Repurpose what you have. Use bookshelves, crates, or even stackable storage bins to keep things organized. Floating shelves are a stylish and affordable way to add storage and display space. Add baskets or boxes to hide clutter, and use labels to keep everything in its place. Greenery brings life and freshness into your workspace. Even a few small plants can improve air quality and reduce stress. Look for low-maintenance varieties like pothos, succulents, or snake plants, which thrive indoors. If you're on a tight budget, propagate cuttings from friends or family, or check local plant swaps. No green thumb? Faux plants can also add a touch of nature without the upkeep. Personalization is key to making your home office a place where you want to spend time. Add elements that reflect your personality and interests. Hang a vision board with your goals, favorite quotes, or inspiring images. Display souvenirs, collectibles, or items that make you smile. A cozy rug, colorful desk accessories, or a unique mug for your pens can all contribute to a workspace that feels uniquely yours. Cable management is another often overlooked aspect of a tidy office. Tangled cords can make even the best decorated space feel chaotic. Use inexpensive solutions like cable clips, zip ties, or Velcro straps to keep everything organized and out of sight. You can also repurpose everyday items. A binder clip attached to the edge of your desk can corral charging cables, while decorative boxes can hide power strips and chargers. Consider creating zones within your office, even if you have a small space. Designate one area for your computer and daily work, another for reading or brainstorming, and perhaps a third for storage. Use rugs, room dividers, or even different wall colors to visually separate each area. This helps you stay organized and makes your office feel more dynamic. Technology upgrades don't have to be expensive. Sometimes, small investments in comfort and efficiency go a long way. A laptop stand or monitor riser can improve your posture. An external keyboard and mouse can make typing more comfortable. Look for second-hand or refurbished tech to save money, or DIY a monitor stand from stacked books or boxes. Don't forget about acoustics. If your home office is noisy or echoes, soft furnishings can help. Add curtains, a rug, or cushions to absorb sound. If you're recording calls or videos, hang a tapestry or foam panels on the wall behind you for a professional touch. Finally, set aside a little time each week to refresh your workspace. Rotate your decor, change up your organization, or simply tidy up at the end of each day. These small habits keep your office feeling fresh and inviting, encouraging productivity and creativity. A home office makeover doesn't require a big budget, just a willingness to rethink, repurpose, and personalize. With a few smart updates and creative touches, you can craft a workspace that energizes you, keeps you organized, and helps you do your best work every day. Whether you're tackling big projects or just managing everyday tasks, your new office will be a place you're excited to call your own.